Hello, I'm Vicki Lamb and here to introduce you to Vicki Lamb Outdoors and VLO's YouTube channel, the new place to discover tips and unique ways of living with and working with and training dogs, and all kinds of cool things involved with interacting in the outdoors. These have been built from my life experiences over decades, and they have until now just not been shared in this video media. So here I am and looking forward to having some really interesting discussions, such as introducing you to tone and vibration, a means of communicating with your dog, and pros and cons of various methods of behavior and training, and approaches to solving problems to make all of our efforts fun and ultimately successful. So I hope you'll join me here and subscribe and check in regularly while we examine how-to things and much more, and really enjoy sharing and life with our animals. Please see my website where you will find my bio, and also you'll see materials such as a course on your own dog training business if you want to build a career making money in training dogs, and another course for training your own dog, with more to come, as well as upcoming books, pamphlets, and other helpful items. Thank you so much for checking things out here, and let's build a force of helpful information as you join me right here. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.